This is a huge update, a way for you to rewrite with Copilot in any text field while using your Microsoft Edge. Couldn't be better. It's just great. And I will show you how to do it. You just need to highlight the text you'd like to rewrite and then click on Rewrite with Copilot, and Copilot will generate automatically a text for you. And then you have the option to, of course, put it your personal touch and then either replace it or ask Copilot for more adjustment and rewrite. Let me show you. Here, you can review it, you can edit this suggestion, you can adjust it, adding your specific tone, professional, casual, enthusiastic, adding your format, like, for example, you like paragraph, email, ideas, blog post, for newsletter, or a specific length, and then click on rewrite, and it will of course generate a new suggestion depending on the criteria you just selected. And that's it, very easy.